Thanks, Brandon. Yeah, another big story today coming from public health experts as we learn more about yet another serious crisis linked to the Zika virus around the world.
This one has to do actually with our blood supply. Hoxworth Blood Centers just shipped several dozen units of blood this week to Puerto Rico. That area, one of many hit so hard by this virus, they've literally had to shut down their blood donation sites.
Puerto Rico, of course, has an epidemic now of the Zika virus. The Zika virus is not only transmitted by mosquitoes, of course, it's transmitted by blood.
Dr. Ronald Sacher keeps a close eye on this community blood supply. Slowed use, he says, led to an adequate supply for the past few days, so that let his team send at least 75 pints to Puerto Rico, just one of the areas right now reported to need it. This is a map of places that have been hit by Zika. If you've been to one of them, you are asked to defer donating for 30 days. If you got bit by a mosquito in one of those areas, you could have the virus and show no symptoms. It's especially dangerous for women who are pregnant. Babies can be born with microcephaly or small heads. The Food and Drug Administration announced today that they are investigating a new test to screen donated blood for the Zika virus. But until we know how well it works, areas not known to have widespread cases of the virus are being asked to ship donated blood to areas around the country and abroad affected by it. As you might imagine, just getting that blood overseas can be a little bit of a challenge. It has to be shipped within a certain time, and inside this cooler, it's 20 degrees. So there are certain things that have to be done while it's being shipped to even preserve the supply.
Because our blood supply and our inventories are very fragile and very brittle, and we monitor this very closely.
Those who regularly donate blood say it's an honor to be able to help in this time of need.
It is great to know that you make a difference in your community, but when you feel like you can impact lives on a global level, it feels even better to me. I think it's fantastic.
Dr. Sacher also told me that they won't give blood to other areas unless we have enough for our own supply in this community. So they simply are asking anyone who can donate to continue to give blood. If you can make an appointment or find a neighborhood center near you, you can call 513-451-0910. You can just walk in. Details are at local12.com.
All right.